Welcome to Reo Māori for Beginners, pronunciation lesson 3, and it is the tricky 3. Today we're going to have a look at the Māori alphabet and concentrate on the tricky 3. That's the rolling R sound, the NG digraph, and the WH digraph. The rolling R, probably one of the trickiest sounds in Te Reo Māori, can be imitated by listening and replicating the sound of a purring cat. Another sound to aim for is something similar to an English D sound, but a little bit softer. Jara, rara. And another tip of mine is just to over-roll and then ease off from there. Ra, ra, ra. Kapai? Alright then, let's give it a go. Let's try the rolling R sound with our 10 vowel sounds. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru, ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Kapai. So moving on to the NG digraph. The NG is said as it sounds in the English word sing. So let's take the word sing and add on a Māori A vowel sound. Sing A, sing A, sing A. Alright, now let's take off the SI and just pronounce nga, nga. Ka pai. Should we try that with all of our vowel sounds, eh? Alright then. Nga, nge, ni, ngo, ngu, nga, nge, ni, ngo, ngu. Ka pai. And the final digraph is the WH sound, which essentially is an English F. I think the tricky part about this is just recognizing the sound when you see it. So let's try it. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fu, fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. Ka pai whānau. So let's have a quick review with a little song that contains all of those sounds that we've been learning over the last couple of lessons. Aha ka mana para taua ngā whā, e heke mene pere te wenge whē, ihi ki mini piri tiwingi whi, o hoko mono poro tō ngofo, a e I o u, uhuku munu puru tō ngofu.